Today, I'll walk you through how to add progress bars to data in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create visually appealing progress indicators so you can enhance your data presentations effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your canvas for data visualization. Once you have Power BI open, click on the visual where you want to add your progress bar. Typically, this will be a presentation that showcases a completion or progress rate. Think of it like adding a finishing touch to a painting. This bar will help your audience quickly grasp the progress at a glance. After selecting your visual, locate the column that will determine the progress bar. This column should contain the values that represent progress, such as completion percentages or task statuses. Next, click the down arrow next to the column name. This will open a menu where you can choose conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is like giving your data a personality. It allows you to visually enhance it based on specific criteria. From the conditional formatting options, select Data Bars. This is where the fun begins, as you'll see your data transform into a dynamic visual representation. Now let's modify the progress bar to suit your style. You can change the color based on your preference. This customization is essential because it helps align the visual with your branding or the theme of your presentation. Finally, set the maximum value to 100. This step ensures that your progress bars accurately reflect the percentage of completion, making them intuitive for your viewers. And there you have it. You've successfully added progress bars to your data in Power BI. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core concepts remain the same, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.